5 extremely productive morning habits in 5 minutes. First of all, exchange to read a book on the toilet instead of your phone. Most people, when they wake up, they grab their phone and disrupting their entire brain waves just by simply being on a toilet and just scrolling and doom scrolling, actually. I mean, I do tend to think that everyone does go on the toilet in the first couple of minutes when they wake up. I mean, that's the case for myself. So instead of like grabbing your phone, I don't know, try to grab a book and start reading. Seriously, that helps a lot with your brain waves and also makes it easier to focus afterwards. The second one is a cold shower right after waking up and also probably after the toilet. So, for example, I go every morning between 1 to 3 minutes into a cold shower. Seriously, like I wake up from the bed and the first thing after the toilet, what I do is getting a cold shower, do my hair, whatsoever, maybe shave in the morning, and then go to work. Because this helps us to wake up, stay alert, and also helps our dopamine. And I always feel great after a cold shower. I mean, yeah, it is difficult in the beginning, but to also make it a habit. But after a while, and after maybe a week, it doesn't really feel that cold anymore, and you kind of enjoy it because you feel so good afterwards. Okay, third is salt water against dehydration, which occurs overnight. So we always get dehydrated overnight because we don't drink, because we are asleep between 6 to 8, 9 hours. Some people need to sleep 9 hours. I tend to sleep more 7 hours. It really depends on the person. And what we should always do in the morning is to get some salt water and to really and this really helps against the dehydration, and also it acts on the adrenal system instead of the adenosine system, because the adenosine system is not even active. So most people who tend to drink coffee in the morning, which, I mean, coffee does still have an impact and boost yourself, but the more adenosine is building up, and the later we drink coffee, the more it blocks it. So it means when we extend it to like 2 or 3 hours and then block adenosine, we are less tired, and it also blocks overnight. So, but also be aware to not drink coffee too late. 4 is sunlight viewing while journaling or reading. This is one of the most impacting things, actually, because I really realize when I don't do a sunlight viewing in the morning, I do feel a bit less productive. It doesn't mean that I'm not productive, but I know if I did sunlight viewing, I also feel a bit happier, I have a better mood, and I'm also a bit more productive. It is maybe just like 5% or like 3 or whatsoever, but it does make a small difference, and I really feel it. If it's like a really cloudy day, or like an entire week of like rain and no sun, I feel less good and less productive. So I really recommend doing some sunlight view. And the best is to read a book while viewing sunlight, brush your teeth while viewing sunlight, so you kind of be a bit more efficient with your time, because you do like you clapping, I don't know how the word is, but clapping two birds with one or something. Okay, the last one, because we have still 1.5 minutes, is black coffee after 90 minutes on a fasted body with L-theanine supplement against the jitteriness. Because coffee in general is, I think, the best thing which is legal, or I don't know if the other stuff is always illegal, but the best natural and healthiest way to boost your productivity. And especially when we do it after 90 minutes, it does helps us, especially later in the day, to not get this afternoon dip. And we also should do it fasted, as I mentioned, because it does makes us even more alert. Because the more we eat, or the more carbohydrates we eat, the more caffeine we need to get this feeling. So I stay fasted, and it makes it easier to fast in the morning when we drink black coffee. And L-theanine, for example, also helps with the jitteriness, makes us more being able to focus, because we are not really like thinking to other things and getting this jitteriness. Okay, 20 seconds, and that is the most part of it. So hopefully I finished 19 seconds. I was really like, look at the time if I can finish this video. So thanks very much for watching this video. And yeah, I hope I see you in another video. We have 10 seconds to finish up. So this video is perfectly getting 5 seconds, and see you guys in another video or tomorrow. Bye. And